Hello student, I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Elcom Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar and I am your subject teacher of maths and now today our topic is multiplication. Okay, so now take multiplication. We have to discuss topic multiplication today and firstly for multiplication you have to know multiplication fact firstly. Multiplication facts. Firstly, you have to know what are multiplication facts. Okay, listen carefully everyone. The number that are multiplied are called factors. The number that are multiplied are called factor. The result of multiplication is the product. You know that the numbers that are multiplied are called factors and the result of multiplication is the product. As like there are two numbers 2 and 12. You know that 2 and 12 are factors. 2 and 12 are factors and you also know that is when you multiply it, that is 24 and 24 is the product. What I have said? I have said that when two numbers is multiplied, both numbers are called factors and the answer is that the multiplication is the product. Now, second rule, numbers can be multiplied in any form. Numbers can be multiplied in any order, any form. The product will remain the same. That means, what means of that? I have said numbers can be multiplied in any order and the product will remain the same. So, let's take an example. 24 multiply 6. That is 6 4 is 24. 4 2 carry 6 2 is 18. 6 2 is 12. 14. 24 multiply 6 that is 144 and when we multiply 6 multiply 24 that is also 142. Both are same. You can see here that both are same. And third, when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. That means 54 multiplied 1 is equal to 54. Next rule, when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. So, 64 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. Now, we have to discuss on some topics and some questions also. So, let's come on topic, that is, we have to discuss today some questions that are, you know that where more multiplication table multiplying by 7, you know very well multiplication of 7, table of 7, table of 8 and table of 9. In table of 9 there is a fact. What it is? Listen here. When you multiply, you know that 1 multiply 9 is equal to 9 and 2 multiply 9 is equal to 18 and 3 multiply 9 is equal to 27 and 4 multiply 9 is equal to 36. 5 multiply 9 is equal to 45 and 6 multiply 9 is equal to 54 and 7 multiply 9 is equal to 63 and 7 9 ja 6 9 ja 54, 7 9 ja 63, 8 9 ja 72 and 9 9 ja 81 and 10 9 ja 90. Okay, and you know that there is a fact. What is that? Listen here. When we add it 1 plus 8, that will be 9. 2 plus 7, that will be also 9. 3 plus 6, that is 9. 4 plus 5, that is 9. And 5 plus 4, that is also 9. And 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, add 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Okay. Now our next topic is multiplying by 20, 30, 40, 50, 90. Okay. That was it. Multiplying by 20, 30, multiplying by multiplied by tan 20 30 dash dash dash. Now the next topic is multiplying by tan 20 30 and 90. Okay, listen carefully how we can multiply the numbers. You know that when we multiply, that is the number 9 multiplied 20. Okay, how we can multiply it? Listen here, listen carefully. We multiply 2 from 9. 2 9 is 18 and we have to place 1 0 here. Okay, now 3 multiply 30. 3 3 is 9, that is 9 and we have to place 1 0. 4 multiply 40. 4 4 is 16 and you know that is 160. 5 multiply 60. 6 5 is 30 and we have to place 1 extra 0, that is 300. Okay, let's take another example. 32 multiply tan, that is 1 2 is 2 and 1 3 is 3, that is 320. 54 multiply 20, we have to multiply it from 22. 2 4 is 8 and 2 5 is 10 and here is 1 0, so we have to place 1 0 extra. Okay, now we have to discuss next topic, that is multiplying by 100 200 300 and 1000. multiplying by 100 200 300 and 900. Let's discuss on this topic. Firstly, we have to multiply 52 multiply 200. Let's listen here. What we have to do? Firstly, we have to multiply 2 from 2. 2 2 is 4 and now we have to multiply 2 from 5. 2 5 is 10 and there are 2 zeros, so we have to place 2 0 more. 5 3 multiply 300. Firstly, we have to multiply 3 from 3. 3 3 is 9 and now 3 5 is 15 and so we have to place 2 extra 0. Okay, and the next is 3 2 multiply 40. Firstly, we have to multiply 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12 and now we have to place 2 0, that is 12,800. Okay, and now there is a topic multiplication by a 2-digit number. 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 Let's see some example. Firstly, we have to multiply 11 by 7. That is very easy. 11 multiply 7, that is 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, that is 77. And now with regrouping, how we can multiply numbers? Multiply 16 by 8. Multiply 16 by 8. 16 multiply 8. 8 6 is 48. 8 4 carry. 8 1 is 8. 8 and 4 12. 128. We can solve it vertically also. 16 multiply 8. 8 6 are 24. 4. 8 6 are 20. 8 6 are 48. 8 4 carry. 8 1 is 8 4 12. That is 128. And now we have to take another example, that is regrouping tens. 41 multiply 7. 41 multiply 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 4 is 28. We can solve it by vertically. 7 1 is 7. 7 4 is 28. And now let's take another example. 214 multiply 3. 214 multiply 3, 3 4 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 1 ja 3, 1 3 1 ja 3, 1 4, 3 2 ja 6. And now the next topic is multiplying by or 3 digit number by 2 digit 3 digit number by 2 digit number. Okay, what is the product of what is the product of 12 and 46? Listen here, we have to multiply 36. Firstly we have to write 46 multiply 12. You know that 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 3 are 6, 1 7, 1 6 are 6 and 1 3 are 3, 2 7 6 13, 3 1 4. Let's take another example. 57 multiply 25. 5 7 are 45, 3 carry, 5 5 are 25, 3 28 and 2 7 are 40 and 2 5 are 10 and 1 11. 5 8 4 12, 1 3 1 4 and 1 1424. Thank you. We have to meet in next video with next topic. Bye bye.